You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be doing an update on BTCUSDT, Beta USDT and ETC, how you can position yourself and what you should expect in the next coming days. Trade entries and targets. If you've not subscribed to this very particular channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Let's grow this channel fast. So right here on BTC USDT, I do the analysis yesterday and I said if you see a bullish engulfing pattern, closing price reversal candle, or if you see a hammer, a rejection candle around this area, then that will be a possible good area to take a trade for the market to go back up, maybe reaching this very all-time high again. And then I also say if market come back to this very strong support, because if you look at this very support line here, not only that is a very strong support, but what we see here is that anytime market comes to this level, we see a drastic move from this level upside, we see a move from here up. Then this very point as what happened yesterday, you see the market move drastically to this very position right here. So what that implies is just telling us that this very particular area of support is very, very strong, like I pointed out in my previous video. Okay, so what I'm still expecting here on BTCUSDT is the market to ride up, because if this is an impulse, then this is possible retracement into the market for the market to go back up a little bit again. So that is what I am expecting in the market right now. So I'm expecting the market to move back right up from this very particular area. Now there is a tendency for the market to come back down, but if the market come back down, this very particular level should also hold the market for it to go back up. That is a very simple and short analysis, and that is what I am looking out for. Remember, I am on the 4-hour chart BTC USDT. Beta USDT right here, I do analysis yesterday and I said if you see a breakout of this very strong resistance level, see this was a resistance here, see a resistance at this point, see resistance here as well, and I said if you see a breakout, this was where the breakout was very significant on this very particular candle right here. So after the breakout, you see the market right far way up. So if you take advantage of this very particular analysis yesterday, congratulations. And I also say their target should be here, but you see the market went far way up above our very target, and right now the market is retracing right down. I also say your stop loss should be below this very particular support level right here. So if you take that trade, congratulations. And I want to say follow up the analysis on the channel, place your trade according to analysis. So if you look at this trade right now, market pump up to this very point and now market is correcting to the downside. So where am I expecting this very particular retracement to stop before the next impulse will come in? If you look at this chart very well, the point where we see support is at this very particular area here. So this was a resistance level, and then we see resistance level at this point as well. So resistance level here, markets go back right down from here, and it will possibly find support on this very particular level right there. And I will also give entry for this very particular position. Okay, so this is where I am expecting the market to retrace to before the next impulsive move will come in as well. So I am going to also give this call on this very particular channel as well. So right now, let's allow the retracement to end. So what I want to see here before I give that call at the end of retracement is closing price reversal candle at support. SolanaUSDT here, guys. Yesterday I talked about the market going back down into this very particular level, but we see the markets go up and not going into this level. Now I want to also say that don't buy here when you are trading short time. Don't buy here. The market is already at the peak, and the market will not go like this forever. Even though it goes up a little bit, it most definitely come down with a nice retracement. And anytime I see a nice retracement in the markets, I'm always very happy, because that nice retracement will give a rise to a very smooth impulse in the next market move. Okay, so right now expect a good retracement on Solana before you can place a trade. Don't place a trade when the market has already moved far away from this very particular support level to this point, retrace a little bit at this very particular level, and the market is up to this very particular point. Don't take a trade here for short time trading, okay? So wait for the market to retrace, and that retracement will give a nice signal for us to enter the market and ride it to the upside. So right now, wait on Solana. And then if you are holding Solana for a long time, congratulations, that's very great. And Solana will do well. Like I said earlier, that I am looking at Solana hitting about $500 before the end of this year. One more important analysis, guys, is on ETCUSDT right here. So at this point, I see this very strong resistance right here, strong resistance level, and then resistance level at this point. Now, one thing very important is that, you see, if the market break out of this resistance level, the market is going to go far way up. It's going to ride drastically to the upside. And I don't want you to miss out on that very particular move, because it's going to definitely happen soon. So what you should be looking out for on this very particular chart right now, ETCUSD chart right here, is a breakout of this very particular strong resistance level, just like we saw in BTCUSDT yesterday. So a breakout of this very particular resistance level, and it should give you a bullish close. A bullish close is a significance that buyers, the bulls, are ready to move the market up. Okay, so once you see a bullish close above this very particular resistance and it should break out significantly, then that should give you a signal to enter your trade on this very particular chart right here. Then if I go more further to look at this very chart, if you draw a trend line from this area to the upside right here, you see this was a trend line. Now if you see a breakout on this trend line down, then that means market is going to go back right down. Okay, so but what we are expecting on this very particular chart is a breakout on this very particular resistance level. And if we do, I am looking at this very particular target right here. So this is my first target right here on this very particular analysis. And then my second target on this very particular analysis is this very particular level at this very particular point right here. Okay, so this is the first target. If you see a breakout on this very particular pair, first target and the second target right here. So that's my job, guys. If you've not subscribed to this very particular channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Leave a like for this video. Which video do you want me to do in the future? Comment below and I will do that video for you. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.